Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Louis Vuitton Speedy 35. All right, so I have had this bag here for years, maybe 5, 6, 7, I'm not sure exactly, but it's been a long time and I've never shared it here on my channel. And recently, what is your problem? What is your problem? Huh? What is the deal? Can you go lay down for just a minute? For just a minute, I'm busy. Just a minute, please. Okay, be right back. So I've had this bag here for a couple of years and never shared it here on my channel. And there's a couple of reasons why. The main reason is I don't carry it often. It's not one of my all-time favorite bags, and I don't think I would recommend it. I honestly don't. But I'm gonna show you the bag, I'm gonna show you how it packs up, and I'm gonna tell you what I like about it and what I don't like about it. All right, so this here is the very first Louis Vuitton bag that I ever bought, and I was very specific in what I wanted. I knew I wanted this print, this light, kind of bright, I don't know the name of it, print from Louis Vuitton, and I really wanted the Speedy. I didn't know much about the brand at the time. I was new into like handbags in my channel and I didn't do like a ton of research. This was just kind of like the one that I wanted, this style, like the look of the bag that I wanted. So I got this one here and it is the 35 size. Now, what I do not like about it is that it doesn't have the crossbody strap. So I did not get the version of the Speedy that comes with the crossbody strap. I don't know if maybe it wasn't out when I got this one, if it wasn't popular then, if I didn't know it existed, but this one does not have the crossbody strap. It has one way and one way only that you can carry it, and it's by the handle here. Now, is it cute? Absolutely. It's adorable. It's a favorite to wear in like the springtime especially, but it's a bigger bag. Like this 35 size, I'm 5 foot nothing. I'm like 5'1", I think, on a good day. And the bag just seems a little big for me to carry without any type of strap. And I'm a big bag kind of girl. Like I carry big bags all the time, more often than I do like smaller crossbody bags. But this one here is heavy. It's kind of bulky and it's just not my favorite. Now, I will say that I love the look of the Speedy. The style of the Speedy is one that I love from Louis Vuitton. But if you were gonna get a Speedy, I would recommend the size smaller than this. So the Speedy 30 or 25, I believe, and definitely the version with the crossbody strap. I think that this is just too big, but it's not big enough for it to be like a travel bag, in my opinion. Like it's not a true duffel. So I don't know, it's just kind of like that weird in-between size for me. Now, I currently have this packed with an insert, which I'm gonna show you here in a minute. I can't remember where I got it. I don't have a way to link it or anything like that. I got it years ago, so I'm not sure. But I do prefer this bag with the insert. And one of the main reasons is when you open up the top of it, which you'll be able to see much better when I put the camera down. When you open up the top of it, it's really hard to get things that are inside of it. It doesn't open up nice and wide, and it opens up kind of smaller than the size of the bag is. So I don't love that about it. That's why I like to carry it with the insert. So that's also why it kind of looks very square and structured. So if you have this bag, or if you were to carry this bag and not use the insert, it's going to basically not have this particular silhouette, if that makes sense. So as far as the outside here of the bag, as you can see, there is 0 pockets. So no pockets or anything like that, and the only way to carry it is by these 2 straps, or these 2 handles here at the top of the bag. With that being said, let's go ahead and put the camera down so I can show you an up close of this bag and all of the stuff that fits inside. All right, so looking down at the top here of the bag, you just have one long zipper that goes the entire way across the top of it. And when you open it up, that's about as far as you get. So that's kind of what I mean when I'm like, you can't really like, I wish it opened like nice and wide, but I mean, you can get into it. It's just me being, I guess, picky or whatnot with it. But this is everything I fit inside. You can really put a lot in here. Obviously it's the 35 size, so it is a little bit bigger than the smaller ones. But I'll just go ahead and start pulling everything out, and then I will just kind of show you what the insert looks like in here, and maybe I'll take it out and kind of show you if that would be helpful. Okay, so right in the middle, the insert has pockets, which you can't really see yet because there's so much stuff in it, but there's pockets all the way around the inside here, and then I just have a bunch of stuff kind of in the center. The inside of this bag does come with one pocket over here, and then the only thing I have in there is my O-Venture key ring, and it has some hair ties and my car keys. So just slip that down in there so that I can get to it rather quickly if I need them. Unpacking the middle of the bag here, standing up straight, right here is the biggest item in here, and it is the Erin Condren notebook. This is kind of what I use for a planner right now until I get my new planner in. It is their priority notebook, so it has boxes over here and then notebook kind of paper on the side. I really have been enjoying using it a lot. So I have that in there, and then right behind that notebook, standing up vertically, I have a Mina Bay pouch. This is from their pouch trio, which I think are the highest quality, best leather pouches that I personally own. This is the medium size, and oh, I actually have the small packed in there too. So I'll show you that in a second. But inside this medium pouch here, I just have a couple of, I guess, planner things. I have a notepad in here. I also have some sticky notes. I have pens and paper clips, highlighters, like all that kind of stuff down inside this pouch. Then I have here the current book that I'm reading, and this book in and of itself is big and heavy. So it like adds a lot of bulk to my bag for sure. But this is the current book I'm reading, Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. I am not that far into it, but so far it's really, really good. I have been enjoying it for sure. Then I also have in the middle here, the lighting, I want to be able to like show you down inside of it. But I just have my glasses that my dog clearly got there. I also have in the center here my Keep Going first aid kit. This is the mini kit, and I love it because it has a little kind of clip over here to the side. You can attach it to your bags or whatever, but inside it comes with a little mini kit, and then I also add like some medicine to it. I have like a skin stick kind of down in there also, and there's chapstick and all that kind of stuff, but it comes with all of this already. So it's just great. It's small and compact, and it's like the perfect little mini med kit on the go. Then the only other thing inside here is a pouch by MZ Wallace, and this here is from their Bowery collection. It is so soft and squishy. It's one of my favorite ones that I have. And inside here, I just have all of my small cosmetics. I have my lip products, I have travel mascara, cuticle cream, eye drops. There is a small zipper pocket in here, and I just have some eyeglass cleaner wipes and Band-Aids and all that kind of thing in there. So that is what is inside this pouch, but it is such a good one. All right, so everything is out of the middle of the bag here, and you can kind of see that I have stuff all around the outside of the bag here of the insert. So there's tons and tons of pockets. Oh, I did have one scrunchie that was hanging out down there, but as you can see, this particular insert does add a lot of structure and shape to this bag, whereas if you don't have it in there, it's not as structured there on the bottom. But I really enjoy using it with this bag. I think it just adds a lot of organization. I decided to take the camera off the tripod and go a little old school and hold the camera here so that you guys could really see the inside of this bag, because I feel like when it was up high, it was just like the sunlight or something, you really couldn't see the inside. So as I was trying to explain earlier, this insert does go the full way around the bag and has a ton of pockets. But again, I'm not sure exactly where I got it, so I can't link it. But going through the rest of the things that are in here, over here in this pocket, I just have some hand cream. I also have a deck of cards. This is the one and only thing that I typically carry for the kids anymore because it keeps them entertained if we're out to eat or something like that. I just kind of throw it in there. Then over here in this pocket, I have my Touchland hand sanitizer that I always have with me.
And that's it as far as everything on, oh wait, is there something in here? Oh, just some cash inside that pocket there. But that's everything on that side of the bag. Turning it around so that you can see the other side over here. Just a couple more small things. I have some gum, a couple of lip products, another pillowcase tucked down in there, lipstick, and then I also have my gum and Altoids. So that's all. These are really good, by the way. That's all I have in that pocket. In this next pocket over here, I just have a hair clip attached, but it's the perfect size for like a little pen or something. And then over here in this one, I have the small Mina Bay pouch that came in that pouch trio that I was showing you earlier. If I could do this one hand. It's been a while since I've held the camera and done this. But inside here, I just have my earbuds and all of my charging cables for my phone and for these as well. And they fit really well inside this little cute leather pouch. You do have pockets over here on the side of the bag. I just have some wet ones, a nail file, and some tissues. And then you have the same pocket over here on this side of the bag. And the only thing I have in it is my wallet. And this is also by Mina Bay, actually. The same color leather as those pouches that I just showed you, but it is the perfect wallet, especially for this bag and this insert because it is flat, has a pocket here. It has room for tons of cards on the back. You have another pocket, and then you have this zipper pouch, which I just put gift cards and things like that inside. But it is so slim and compact, and it's great to just kind of slide in spots of your bag with little pockets. So I like this one a lot. I move into that a good bit. All right, so that is everything that I had packed inside the Speedy here. Kind of give you one last look, if I can do it holding the camera. Just what the inside looks like without anything in it. Like I said, I kind of like the insert in it, but you can definitely take it out and it doesn't add so much structure to it.
All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that may be interested in the Louis Vuitton Speedy 35 or just the Speedy in general. I hope it gave you kind of a unbiased perspective on the bag and kind of gave you some up close looks of what would fit inside and all of that. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye.